Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Nifty Forecast and my name is Lokesh. Let's look at what has happened in the market today. We are looking at the Bank Nifty intraday chart and also the Nifty intraday chart. So as discussed, I was a little more focused on the Bank Nifty, last couple of days as compared to Nifty, and we have discussed about a slip in the market, and then we also anticipated a recovery, but that has not happened in the Bank Nifty. As I have already informed you that Bank Nifty is a little more bearish than that of Nifty, and that is very evident from the chart because the open was here somewhere, and then it has come down a little bit. But otherwise, Nifty, it has opened and managed to be there in the top. I mean, it did not close or any candle below this level, which was yesterday's high, right? So that's a super support for Nifty, and that shows the bullishness in the market for Nifty. It is very evident, right? Am I with you? Are you all with me on this? Right. So here there is a lot of bearishness in the chart, in the data as well. That is precisely what we discussed. So how do we plan the next day? Let's look at the bhavcopy. Uh, Let me clear the filters, and then we'll do so that we get to see Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yes, look at this. There is a phenomenal increase in the open interest, right? There is absolutely phenomenal increase in the open interest here. 5 lakhs plus contracts, 1.5 lakh contracts in the next month as well, and 4 month contract also. There is some activity. Although Nifty is on the bullish side, numbers being added here, and Bank Nifty being on the bearish side or sideways to negative side, numbers being added here. That's interesting. Let's also look at the Bank Nifty now that we are focusing a little on the Bank Nifty as well. What does this say? Decent increase in the numbers, Bank Nifty as well. Wonderful. But now that there is a bearishness or the negative activity that we have seen in the intraday, we should account this for the negative numbers. All right, let's go to the intraday activity. The intraday activity shows us one more consecutive day we get to see negative numbers. Yesterday we had minus 10,000 contracts, and today we have another 8,000 contracts. But what has happened in the market? If we refer to the market in the daily chart, again there is indecision here, and there is bearishness here. So all these contracts would sum up to some bearishness as well. Right. Here we will not be able to demarcate the difference between the Bank Nifty or Nifty, but any which ways we get to see minus number in the intraday, and that is exactly what is reflecting in the OI, participant wise OI. All right. So the long contracts are coming down. Yesterday it has come down by 16,000, and today again 8 more thousands are lost, and now we are standing at 21 thousands of long contracts more than the short contracts. Right, that is a good and a bad as well. I mean, losing the contracts on the long side also shows that there might be a slight pullback, right? So that's something that we should always look for, and let's also look at some of the uh, stocks that we have made as a norm these days. So on the put side there is aggressive put writing for Nifty at 15,800 level. That shows that at this level there is a lot of support. So what does this show us? Bullishness in the market, right? And Bajaj Finance, TCS, Infi and Techem has been the stocks of this month for us. They are absolutely bullish Infi and Techem, every day they are showing bullish signs, and a jump in the open interest that shows that there is a lot of strength to the upside in these stocks. Right. This is about the puts. Stay focused with the top five stocks that we are seeing in this screen, and let's also look at the calls. Techem again, here it shows again bullish side because price increasing and number of lots increasing, that shows bullishness in calls. Yeah, Dr. Reddy's the same. Look out for the top five stocks. Right here, Adani Ports is an alert for all of you, because the number of lots has been traded is really high, and the percentage change, I mean the price has come down. That means calls are written. Otherwise, in these three stocks, it says calls are bought. Here in Adani Ports, it says calls are written. That means the upside is capped at the moment. Let's also look at the Adani Port chart. Let's look at here. Adani Port. We look at the future chart. Yeah. Do we get to see some resistance? Yes, absolutely. Here, yeah, on a positional thing, you can definitely look for shorting 900 call, and you should buy the immediate call, just to ensure you are hedged, because if you lose, you will not lose much, and again if you gain also, you will not gain much. That has to be your criteria always. If you deploy a capital of 2 lakhs on this particular contract, I mean a hedged position might not even take 2 lakhs, but let's say you have invested 1 lakh on this position, you should be looking for 1,500 or 2,000 on this position, because if you look for anything more than this, I mean I have to categorize you as a greedy trader, and greediness in trading doesn't really work. Someday you will end up losing, washing out the entire account. I'm sure I have also done all these things back in 5-6 years ago. But yeah, this is one suggestion for me, for you all from my side. Please look for 1, 2, and maximum 2.5%, right, in a position. And once you see this, maybe you might as well take 5 to 10 trading sessions to get a 1.5 to 2%. I request you all to kindly exit the positions in case you are able to get this. And again, look for another opportunity where you might as well get nearly 1.5 2%. Preferably in 5 to 6 days, and if you're getting it, I'm sure you're the boss. You should consider exiting. Right, so keep a track of all these stocks for the next trading session 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the plan for the next week is very simple. As we have already discussed, Nifty is eyeing at 16,000 mark. But in case if you are seeing minor disturbances or pullback, don't worry. You must have a plan. Right? So, yeah, all the very best. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you in the weekend with some new interesting videos for beginners as well as advanced traders. Have a wonderful weekend, friends. Bye bye.